taxes if freelancer but also an employee at the same time. What to do for consolidating? First step muna, same din sa full-time freelancer, registration muna sa BIR as a freelancer. Pero ang taxpayer type mo ay mixed income earner dahil meron kang employment income. Sa tax compliance, same din, quarterly pa rin ang filing, pero ang pipiliin mo na taxpayer type is mixed income earner. For the quarterly income tax return, purely freelancing income yung ipa-file mo. Sa annual ITR na, yung kailangan ng consolidating or pagsasamahin mo ang employment income at ang freelancing income mo. Ang magiging basis ng employment income mo ay yung ibibigay sa iyo ni employer na BIR Form 2316, Certificate of Compensation Payment, every January yan. And then magiging attachment siya ng annual income tax return mo. You are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.